There's a version of you who trusts themselves deeply, not because they're perfect or always brave, but because they keep quiet promises to themselves. Confidence isn't loud. It's not shouting or posting or proving. Real confidence is a calm feeling of, I can count on me. If you've lost that feeling, this is for you. For the next few minutes, I want to offer you a gentle 30-day reset. Not a challenge, not pressure, just 3-4 simple daily practices you can repeat for the next month to slowly rebuild self-trust, and with it, your confidence. First, how confidence really breaks. Confidence doesn't usually shatter in one moment. It cracks slowly. Every time you tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, and you don't. I'll only scroll for 5 minutes, and it becomes an hour. I'm done with this habit, and you go back again. A small message is sent underneath. You can't trust what you say. After weeks, months, years, those small messages become a belief. I'm not disciplined. I never follow through. I'm just like this. But here is the hopeful part. If repeated broken promises can damage confidence, then repeated kept promises can rebuild it. Quietly, gently, day by day. Practice 1. The morning identity line. For the next 30, before you touch your phone, sit up, take a breath, and say softly, today I am someone who keeps small promises to myself. Not, I want to be. Not, I'll try. I am. It might feel fake at first. That's okay. You're not claiming perfection. You're just choosing your direction. Identity comes before behavior. When you see yourself as someone who keeps small promises, your choices begin to shift to match that picture. Practice 2. The micro why commitment. Confidence doesn't come from big dramatic actions. It comes from small actions repeated. So each day, pick one tiny, clear micro commitment. Not a new life, just a seed. Examples. I read 2 pages of a book. I read for 5 minutes. Write 3 honest sentences in a journal. Do 10 push-ups. Make it so small that even on your worst day, you could still do it. Then say it out loud. Today, my promise is your action. If you do more than that, beautiful. But your micro-commitment is the only thing that counts for the streak. The goal is not intensity. The goal is truth. When I say I'll do this small thing, I do it. Practice 3. The evening evidence log before you sleep. Take 2-3 minutes to collect evidence. Ask yourself, what is one thing I did today that my future self will be grateful for? Write it down. One line is enough. I went for my 5-minute walk, even when I was tired. I closed the app and chose sleep. I was honest with myself today. You are teaching your brain to notice your own courage instead of only your failures. Over 30 days, this becomes a quiet library of proof that you are changing. Practice 4. The gentle comparison check comparison quietly kills confidence. So for the next 30 days, when you catch yourself thinking, they're so far ahead, I'm behind, I'm not enough, pause and ask, what would the version of me from 90 days ago think about who I am today? Would that past you be proud that you're even trying, that you're reflecting, that you're doing this reset? Shift the comparison. Not me versus them, just me now versus me then. Your journey is not a race. It's a relationship with who you are becoming. How to use this for 30 days here is your gentle plan. Days 1-7, just show up, say the identity line. Do your micro-commitment. Write one line of evidence, nothing more. Days 8-14, slightly grow. If it feels natural, make your action a little bigger, but only if you can still do it on hard days. Days 15-21, stabilize. Let the practices feel normal, like brushing your teeth. Notice how your self-talk shifts. Days 22-30, trust. By now, You're not chasing a feeling. You're collecting proof. Confidence is not something you wait to feel. It's something you build by keeping small, honest promises to yourself. You will miss days. You will slip. When that happens, don't throw the whole month away. Just come back to the next day and keep the promise again. You are not starting from zero. You are starting from experience. If this spoke to you, save this video. Use it as a quiet companion for the next 30 days. And when you forget who you're becoming, press play again. And remember, real confidence grows in silence, one small promise at a time.